Herbert Hoover was born in West Branch, Iowa in 1874 and grew up in Oregon. He went to Stanford and graduated as a mining engineer. After that, he went to China and worked for a private corporation.
He married Lou Henry and became China's leading engineer. In June 1900, the Boxer Rebellion caught the Hoovers in Tianjin, and the United States entered war.
When Hoover was about to turn 40, the Germans declared war on France, and as he helped 1,200 American tourists return to the U.S. He worked to help feed Belgium and became head of the American Relief Administration to organize food shipments for millions of Central Europeans.
He became Republican presidential nominee in 1928. The stock market crashed only months after he took office. His enemies in Congress painted him as a cruel president, and he became the scapegoat for the Depression.
He was badly beaten in the next election. He became a strong critic of the New Deal, and through the rest of his life, he wrote many books and articles. He died in New York City on October 20th, 1964. He was 90 years old.